This is a follow-up to the plexiglass deer stand blind windows that I posted earlier. So I had the rough openings, which would be here, over to the, sorry, zoomed out as far as I can get, but over to there. What I did is I built this frame and then put the window in that. Let me just crawl up in here, explain this a little better. So this entire thing was my rough opening, this darker 2x4. Okay, so then I built this whole windowsill at home, and then built the small windows. Sorry, close the door here before it blows away. So then I built the small windows. One of my coworkers said, make sure you beef up the corners are the first things to go. So I did that. This is just temporary for this year to hold them closed, but season's getting here and I gotta get this stuff done. But the next question so I don't remember where I left off last time. So I ripped the 2x down, made the groove, made the corners, beefed them up with just a piece of regular plywood, and then made this sill here so the window rests against that. Having them flip up, didn't know how I was gonna have them hold, and then I ended up ripping a 2x4, which you can see, which this is closed. You can barely see it there. That's closed and flush. Okay, so then you can try to do this one-handed here. Lift that open, and then you just spin that block. Let's see if that even gets on camera. So spin that around, and then that holds. Okay, I did make this for an extra gap for weather and stuff. Takes up a little bit of my view, but not bad at all. But and then as simple as turning this windows down, and then like I said, I'll have a different latch here next year, but close up your latch and you got to close the window. Again, I'm not saying that's the right way, the best way. It's a way. I looked around on the line looking for people to explain how they made homemade plexiglass windows. Didn't really find much out there, so I'm just giving you food for thought. And I just used a smaller hinge. I don't know how long they'll last because it's just regular, pine 2x4s, but I didn't want to get too crazy because I didn't know how well everything was going to work. But so far, overall, I'm happy with it. So, got any questions? Let me know.